Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm with Dr. Manju Misra, who is involved in two important aspects of the University of Guelph, the School of Engineering and the Department of Plant Agriculture. Dr. Manju, I understand that you are involved in creating a variety of solutions to real-world problems, and you do this in a very collaborative way. Can you tell us about the research that you do with Dr. Amar Mahanti?
With regards to our research, the central theme of our research is the development of sustainable materials. These materials have many real-world applications in everyday life, mostly in automotive parts, consumer product, and biodegradable packaging. So we are working on understanding fundamental science and engineering of new materials and at the same time solution to problems that are applicable to industry.
It sounds like there's a critical relationship between polymer composites and sustainability. Could you give us a brief overview of the Gryphon Lair projects that you're involved in with Dr. Mahanti?
Of course, Jay, we have been working on 3 Gryphons Lair projects. The first project was on development of biocarbon-based composites for lightweight automotive parts. The automotive industry is keen in lightweight sustainable materials for a better fuel economy as well as reduced environmental footprint. Regarding the second LAAIR project, it is aimed at developing new bio-based biodegradable resins specific for compostable tomato clips for greenhouse growers. They use around 20 clips for tomato plants. The major benefit here is that the compostable clips would allow tomato plants to be industrially composted after harvest instead of ending up in the landfills. Our clip formulations use very low value industrial residues such as soya hulls and oat hulls as a filler. In our third LAAIR project, which is a project for 3 years, just started last year, the aim is to create new mushroom packaging containers used in grocery stores. These mushroom containers go for landfill after just 2 weeks of service life. Here we are designing a cost-effective new biocomposite formulation with equivalent properties to that of the existing PET formed mushroom packaging.
Dr. Misra, you have three projects within Gryphons Lair. What type of industries do you work with?
For the applied research projects like these to be successful, industry partnership is extremely important. Therefore, we work with broad range of sectors and scale of organizations. For example, we collaborate very closely with competitive green technologies, an SME in Leamington, Ontario, Canada, who does the industrial scale processing of various proprietary resin formulation developed in our lab. From there, the resins go to different molding partner companies to facilitate the prototype trial runs into different final product shapes ranging from auto parts to packaging. One example of the large industries we work with is the automotive manufacturer Ford Motor Company. Ford, in collaboration with Competitive Green Technologies and Veroc Lighting, an auto part manufacturer from Michigan, worked with us to optimize the biocomposite formulation now being used for their headlamp housing. And according to Ford, the resulting components from this technology is around 20% lighter and requires up to 25% less energy during the molding process.
You've been involved in an incredible wealth of research. What's special about Gryphon's Lair?
Gryphons Lair has provided timely support to address the current needs of industry. This funding has enabled us to focus on the transformative component of our research by bridging the gap from laboratory research to the industrial scale up and further commercialization opportunities. The most successful and notable achievement as a result of our LAAIR projects is the lightweight hybrid biocomposite automotive part that made its way into Ford vehicles. Thanks to the Gryphons Lair support, it has helped us to push the frontier of our applied scientific research on sustainable new materials into companies' hands.
Thank you so much, Dr. Misra, for sharing with us your innovative research. If anyone out there is looking for more of that, please join us on May 27th for the Gryphons Lair pitch competition. Here, 5 companies with roots in U of G research will be competing for a chance at $20,000 in prizes. We'll see you then.